It's April with Kirsty. I don't think I've been since.
No, I had to go up there. That Christmas present that you just can't get anywhere.
Oh, yeah.
It's one of them.
When? That was in town, love. Cribs Causeway?
This Christmas.
Yes, I am really looking forward to it. So excited. A third seat.